Hi, I'm Carl, and in this video we're going to have a look at questions 92 and 93, or unit 29 of the third section of the green booklet. So this is one about solubility, and we've been given an equation here that describes calcium fluoride that's been dissolved in water. Now it says it's sparingly soluble, so only some of it would dissolve, and there's an equilibrium that exists here. And 92 says the fluoride ion of CaF2 is a weak base. It is the conjugate base of the weak acid HF. As a result, CaF2 is more soluble in which solution? Okay, so if it's a weak base, it will want to react with an acid, and what will happen then is if you have these fluoride ions reacting with an acid, you can form this hydrogen fluoride, which of course is an acid in itself, but it's in its undissociated form. Now, every time this happens, you remove one of these fluoride ions. So you're reducing the concentration of fluoride ions in the solution, which drives the position of equilibrium to the right, as more calcium fluoride will dissolve in order to restore this equilibrium. And that means that it's going to be more soluble in a solution in which these fluoride ions are being constantly taken away, which means that it's going to be more soluble in an acidic solution. So that means that the answer for number 92 is going to be A. This result will be a lot less in a neutral solution, and you might even find the opposite in a basic solution. So it's really just to do with these fluoride ions reacting with the excess hydrogen ions that drives this sort of equilibrium to the right hand side. 93 says a solution of sodium fluoride is added to a solution that contains equimolar solutions of barium fluoride, strontium fluoride and magnesium fluoride ions. Given the following solubility products at 25 degrees C, what will be the order of precipitation? So we've given a table here with a number of compounds and their KSPs, which is the solubility product constant, which you've probably come across before. So this is really just a measure of its solubility, meaning that the order of precipitations will be the order of insolubility, if you like. So the ones with the lowest KSP will be the first to precipitate out, or the most likely to precipitate out. So this is the lowest KSP, so this will precipitate out first, then this one, and then this one. So then that gives us an answer of C for strontium fluoride, then magnesium fluoride, and then barium fluoride. So the answer for number 93 is C. So that was a couple of questions on solubility.